Happy holidays, everyone. Just wanted to do a quick little first frame example for you guys. So one of the features we have here is you can bring in a video and you can bring in a character ref, and let's modify this frame. And when this populates in, you can use the character, replace the man and his outfit with the elf. There we go. Let's populate that in. And so now it'll match the pose and the look. You can actually just ask it to replace the character face. So like if I just want to keep all my outfit, but I want to be a new actor or a new cartoon character or a real character, whatever, you can ask for that. But you can also ask to replace the full outfit. Then if you unclick this one, this will not use this as the reference input anymore. So if you're wanting to say, make the background a snowy wonderland, it'll do that. And actually you can do that on top of your elf replacement. Make the background a snowy wonderland. Oop. There we go. And then in a second when that comes out, I'll throw it in Modify and we'll see how it comes out.